Welcome to Design Key Builders, and of course, we are the #1 design and construction company in Kenya. I will be your host, Wanjiko Masharia, and today, guys, we are showing you our office location, project update, and also an overview of who we are. As you can see, guys, this is a 3-unit complex building on the Eastern Bypass, just next to Total Petrol Station. An overview of who we are as we continue is we are a design and construction company, and we deal with all your construction needs. We have a motto that we say that we are building on your trust. Guys, we offer services such as architectural and structural drawings, that is the design, construction, and also renovations, that is if you have spaces that you need to bring life to. We also have a currently ongoing offer, that is of a free design. Guys, a free design of all renovation projects that you bring to us. Yes, as we can see, we are going up the building. You first pass through the mezzanine floor, then you go to the first floor, then second floor, on the room OBB3. Guys, you can reach out to us on all your projects. We also do consultation, that is you can reach out to us via 0741 065 277. I repeat again, that is 0741 065 277. Kindly follow us on all our social media platforms, that is Design Key Builders Limited, on all social media pages, that is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and also LinkedIn. Yes, guys, karibuni to our offices. That is on the right side as you go to now the first office, just right after the gate. As you can see, our logo, our code, office code, that is OBP3. And yes, guys, we are here. Amani Ridge, Optiven, Kiambu County. This project is of a Kenyan living in the diaspora and already has an assurance of our professionalism and quality delivery in our work. To all Kenyans living in the diaspora, this is a proof of diligence and delivery of our work. Again, this project is a 4-bedroom mansion that is covering an area of an eighth acre land, and the ground floor alone covers 224 square meters. And we are going to insert some photos of the groundbreaking, casting of foundation walls, and laying of the foundation slab to give an overview of how we've transitioned this far. This project has so far taken us 3 weeks, and foundation and walling stage is done. So kindly visit our website www.designkeybuilders.com to see more projects that we've done and how far they are. Now as we get into the building, this is the car parking area. Again, this parking area is quite big, very spacious, and it's going to hold a maximum of 2 cars. Maybe the big cars, but for the small cars, that is the width, it may accommodate 4 depending on the size. Yeah, and maybe you could check our previous YouTube video of how it will look at the end, and I'm going to insert a 3D picture at the end of this video. As we go to the other rooms, this is a kitchen pantry, and there's a common sink area. That's where I am standing at, and just behind me we have the kitchen area. And as you can see, it is very big, very spacious. Again, we have done this project with a lot of caution. We are really attentive to details. Now this is the family Saken lounge. This is quite big, very spacious, ample lighting, and again we are doing a very high ceiling that will accommodate the gypsum, that will be able to hold the gypsum for the interior. Maybe you could check our video again of the interior of it. Just besides there on the right, we have a balcony, that is an additional balcony that will give ample lighting to the family lounge and the kitchen area as well. And this is an open kitchen that is seamlessly connected to the dining area, and again it will be able to serve its purpose, because kitchen will be able to serve very delicious meals from there. And the dining, again, where I'm walking to, just on the far right, that's where the entrance is. This is a guest bedroom, and this is an ensuite. It will be an ensuite guest bedroom. We have the toilet on the far right and the bathroom. And this is the far that we've gone, and we are still continuing. The project is still ongoing, and we are sure to give you more project updates as we continue. Every stage we show it on our social media platforms, so kindly follow us on all pages, and subscribe, like, comment, and share this video, and let us know on the type of content you would want us to do. For all your construction projects, kindly call us 0741 065 277, and our website, that is designkeybuilders.com, www.designkeybuilders.com. I have been a host, Wanchiko. Until the next time, kwaheri.